Hello, David here, and the project for today is updating my old Sears shop light from fluorescent to LED tube. I'd be surprised if any of you people have one of these lights on hand because it's old technology. I got this in the 1970s. It's not made anymore. I got it from Sears. And it's corded. A lot of people are using the cordless battery-powered shop lights now, but I just thought I'd try to update it. Got this LED tube, 5000K color, uses 15 watts. Supposedly it's 1000 lumens. And this is a plug and play lamp. I've done videos on replacing fluorescents with LEDs. Most of them are plug and play, and they require the ballast in your unit to operate, so you don't take the ballast out. There are other LED tubes available that are called ballast bypass, and that means you have to rewire your fixture and bypass the ballast to get it to work. And if you have one of those and want to do this, if you happen to have one of these lamps, is the ballast is in this plug. You have to unscrew these screws and bypass it. Why don't we take a look at it? Show you what it looks like inside. That's your ballast right there. And to bypass it, you would have to connect this wire to this wire, both black, to bypass the ballast completely. I notice the white doesn't go through the ballast. Okay, I don't have to fool with the ballast, but I do notice that the switch has a warm-up feature on it. So what you do is when you want to turn it on, you push the on switch on the rocker and hold it down for a second, and that lights the light. So I hope it works with this switch with the LED tube. So let's take this thing apart. And if you happen to have one of these old lights lying around, let me know. I'd be interested in knowing. This splits apart. I'm going to take these hangers off. Over the years that I've had this, I've never used the hangers. There's never a piece on the car that had something where I could use the hanger. Even under the hood, I never was really able to find something under the hood that grabbed these. Be nice if it had a magnet, but everything's made out of plastic now. You rarely need a magnet. So you see the terminals have a centering thing to keep the tube centered in the clear plastic cover. So this is an 18-inch tube. Okay, so another tricky thing about these LEDs is the direction of the light. This line represents the back, which no light goes out in this direction. The light only goes out in this direction, 180 degrees from that backing. course, make sure you unplug it before you're working on this. Let me go plug it back in and I'll try it. Oh great, it's not working. I'm going to try reversing the polarity. I'm going to take it apart and swap ends on the tube. Well, that was a failure. Swapping ends on the tube did not work. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to sign this mess to the junk heap. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more mediocre videos from David GPO.